Meaning of dumb animal.
Dumb animal.
Dumb animal.
Dumb animal.
Dumb animal. The term dumb animal is often used to describe non-human animals, particularly those that are perceived as lacking intelligence or the ability to communicate in human languages. This term is considered by many to be derogatory and inappropriate, as it reinforces the false idea that animals are inherently inferior to humans. Many studies have shown that animals possess complex cognitive abilities, communication systems, and emotional capacities. In short, the term dumb animal is a misnomer that overlooks the rich and diverse intelligence of the animal kingdom and perpetuates harmful stereotypes.